It smells so good.
It removes itself right off the skin.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. I have my brother about to throw down in the kitchen again, so without further ado, let's get this party started.
All right, folks. What we're gonna have today, some good old slabs of salmon. We cleaned them all up and they're ready to go. Got them set in aluminum foil, poured some olive oil in there. We're gonna cut them with this olive oil. So the seasons can stick to the meat. You know it. You always gotta have some type of adherence for it. Got your olive oil all nice and coated. Yes. Okay. Now we start our seasonings. We're gonna start off with some black pepper here, as usual, folks. I love putting my black pepper in there. Never worry about how much you're gonna put on there. Everybody seasons to taste.
Now, if y'all looking for a surf and turf recipe, my brother just made lobster tails and New York strips the other day. I'll leave the link in the top right hand corner so you can check it out.
Okay, nice and even coat there. And I'm gonna add some little salt in there, not much. All righty, I'm gonna add us some garlic herb seasonings. This here has rosemary and basil and fun stuff like that. Basically, it's an Italian seasoning, if you ask me. All right, nice garlic herbs in there. Onion powder. Like I said, a cross section, people. Cross section. Get a nice even coat. Add us a little bit more of this herb seasoning. It just enhances what I already put in there. And you can't have salmon without dill. Yes, I like it fresh, but today I don't have it fresh. So I'm going to use the dry stuff. I love my fresh dills. Alrighty. Okay, now that we have our seasoning in there, we're gonna add our good dressings here. So we're gonna start with some red onion. Sprinkle our red onions in there. Don't worry about being shy with it. Okay, get them all spread out nice and even there. Just embed it like that there. Now we're gonna add the good stuff. Some nice colorful peppers. Here I'll just have my green peppers, some yellow peppers, some orange peppers, and some red peppers. I'm gonna drop them all off in there like that. Drizzle them babies down in there. Look at that color. Beautiful color. This is my Salmon Jubilee. That's what I call it for people. My Salmon Jubilee. All righty. This is the best part right here. You add your fruits. I got the pineapple chunks here. Just gonna spread those out in there. This is gonna give it a nice sweet taste. Oh my goodness, people. It's gonna be a great sweet taste in there. Beautiful. That's beautiful right there. Get a little that pineapple juice in there. It won't hurt at all. Now, I'm gonna squeeze us some lemon off in here, people. Squeeze that off there. Yeah. Get that good and on there. All right, people. Now we got that done.
Looking good, brother, looking good.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Okay, people, now I'm gonna put our little cherries in there. We got a cherry sliced up, maraschino cherries. These are nice.
Would you like me to start the oven for you?
Yeah, let's go get that oven going at 350. Now, here we have some oranges. Oh yeah, some oranges, people. It won't be a Jubilee without some oranges. Oh yeah. Get your oranges off in there now. See?
Does that not look pretty, y'all?
Oh yeah. Now you dressed up nice. Okay. Top it off with some lemon slices here. It's gonna be awesome. All right, there you go. It's all set and ready to go in the oven.
So once it comes out of the oven, we'll let you see how it looks. And we will plate it up, let you get a sample. See you back in a minute out for us.
Oh yeah, we about to see everybody. What we talking about? This Orange Jubilee. The Orange Jubilee.
Oh my goodness. What do y'all think? Does that not look delicious? My brother is ready to cut into it. This is gorgeous. It smells so good.
It removes itself right off the skin. See that, folks? Do not have to take the skin off. It removes itself. That's when you know it's perfect. Yeah, perfect. Look at that nice, tender wetness. It is beautiful. That's when you know it's perfect. It just comes right off that skin there. Just like that. You can just swipe it off and it's off the skin. So there you go, folks. Now let's try to dig in here.
I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Y'all give my brother 2 thumbs up. Go ahead and grab your knife, my brother, and your fork.
2 thumbs up.
Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 20,000. All right, y'all. We're ready to dig in here. Let's get a bite.
All right, I'm gonna let y'all have a bite.
Ooh, doesn't that look good? Thank you, brother. Y'all get a bite? All right. Again, thank you for watching the video. Give it 2 thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 20,000. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your question or comments below. I normally respond within 24 hours. Again, thank you again for watching the video. God bless you. Happy holidays. And we'll see you again on the next video.